So this is an intro video tutorial of how to do the mystery text formatting. So open up the link for the presentation that has the step-by-step instructions. Then open up the Google Doc where it is assigned for that mystery picture. I highly suggest you split your screen so you don't have to click back and forth. So all you do next is follow the directions. For example, the first direction says on line 1, type the letter I. So I'm going to type the letter I. Then I'm going to hit enter. It changed it to a capital letter. Not a big deal. You can always go back in later and change it. Then I'm going to move on to line 2, and it says to type the 3 P's. 1, 2, 3. Hit enter. It changed one. You can go back up, make it lowercase, and then continue down. Line 3, you're going to type O space U. Go back over, change the O, and then continue to the next line. Now it's going to say you have all kinds of spelling errors. That is okay. Then you move on to line 4. It says Y, T, R, E. Go back in, fix the typo so it doesn't change it, then hit enter. Now move on to line 5. Here it says Y, space Q. Now we don't hit space. It says to hit the tab button twice. 1, 2. Now I'm going to type P. O. Tab button twice again. 1, 2. 3 U's, space, 3 Y's. So I go back in, fix my Y. Then I hit enter. Now I'm on line 6. 3 I's, 1, 2, 3, space, 3 R's, 1, 2, 3, space, 3 E's, 1, 2, 3, tab twice, 1, 2. Then W, space, I, space, Q. Tab just once this time, and 3 I's again, 1, 2, 3, space, 3 U's, 1, 2, 3, space, Y. Go back in, or you can wait to the end to change these. I like doing it after each line, so I don't have to worry about it. And you continue on to the directions until you're completely done. Eventually, it's going to tell you to highlight certain rows and change the alignment, which is either centered, left, right alignment, etc. It's going to have you change the color of things by highlighting it and changing the color. And when you are done, your mystery picture should be revealed. And for this mystery picture, it was a sandcastle. So if I followed all the directions correctly, I should be able to see a mystery picture revealed of a sandcastle.